Rap to you real quick.
So to start off, I'll be using 2 packs of each of the Flexirods, the yellow and the blue.
I want to enjoy the luxury of life, not knowing each other for real. Hola, 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 hola. Lotus flower bomb, firefly.
So I'll only be using my Texture ID mousse. Hopefully it'll keep my curls popping.
Teach you all the sounds of love.
So I take a portion of my hair and I use plenty. I'm using a lot of mousse on my hair because I want to make sure my curls come out right, and I twist it on, and that's it.
My baby, yeah, yeah, you see, talking about eternity. Tell me, would you get away, my baby? I lace it down, I lace it down, I lace it down, I lace it down, 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 down. Let me guess your favorite fragrance. Let me guess your favorite fragrance. Let me guess your favorite fragrance. I'm trying that in nature. Let me guess your favorite fragrance. Let me guess your favorite fragrance. Let me guess your favorite fragrance. I'm trying that in nature. Don't know me. The clock keeps ticking, baby. Yes, you know me. Don't know you. Don't know me. Let me teach you all the sounds of love. No, it's not about.
Gonna go take a shower and get all this mousse off my hands, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Night night. Sleeping was not fun, but it's okay. I made it through the night. I'm gonna put some oil on my fingers and take out my Flexirods to my pretty little curls.
Rap to you real quick. I want to enjoy the luxury of life, not knowing each other for real. Hola, 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 hola. Lotus flower bomb, firefly. When I'm low, she take me high. Teach you all the sounds of love.
Now I'm going to separate all my curls into maybe 3 or 4, and I'm gonna try my best to keep the curls because it didn't come out the best, but it's all right. It's still curly. Okay, so curls are frizzy in some areas and not frizzy in other areas. So I'm gonna say my hair was just like, boo-boo, you know we too kinky for that little bit of mousse. I did disrespect my hair by doing that because I know I need more product. I need thick product because, as I said, I got type 4, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, all of that. It's all mixed up in here. So next time I'll most likely use a cream and the mousse just because. And I might put gel in the ends because, as you can see, it's a little frizzy, but it's curly frizzy, okay? I love this. I'm gonna do this again. So subscribe, share, give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Comment below, let's chit chat what's going on, other videos, other hairstyles that you like or you want to see me do, or other videos that you want to see me do in general, skincare, hair care, whichever, whatever. And thanks for watching. See you next time.